Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best digital kitchen scales that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Greater Goods Gray Food Scale, Digital Display. This bargain measures grams, milliliters, ounces and pounds up to 11 pounds and features a 5-year warranty. We like the brightly lit screen and the easy-to-use functionality. It was simple, intuitive, and easy to use several times, and the small size was a mega perk. However, the packaging didn't deliver from the Greater Goods brand. There were no instructions, no included batteries, the only one not to include, and no information on the warranty, even though there is a 5-year one. It also did not pass our quick water test, and it spazzed out briefly. Lastly, the buttons were super sensitive. If you barely brushed up against them or touched them, they cleared the measurements. It differs from our leader by almost 1 second. This may seem minor, but in the application, this can mean the difference between actually using your scale for portion control versus skipping that step in your meal preparations. Boot up time is one of the biggest differentiators in this otherwise pretty comparable category of consumer electronics. When weighing your food is an optional but valuable step, having a scale that boots up quickly removes a potential barrier to executing the task. This is for those that are looking for a smaller scale offered at a good price. Number 2, Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, Digital Grams. The scale is rectangular with curves on long ends, and there is a beautiful digital meter to show the weighing units. This scale offers 4 measurement units, which are ounces, milligrams, pounds and grams. A very good option that Etekcity weighing scale offers is the tare function. Those who use digital weighing scales know how it becomes a headache to reset the meter to 0. The tare function allows you to reset the digital meter in a simple touch. This food weight scale weighs only 7.2 ounces, and it still does the job. With graduation units of 0.01 ounce and total weighing capacity of 5 kg, this weighing scale is ready to meet any and all daily food weighing challenges. The application of this kitchen scale is both household and commercial. It comes with a 1-year warranty from Etekcity. Although the scale does not show weight in kg, it still covers 4 major units, e.g. ounces, milliliters, gram, and pounds. These units are actually more than needed in case where you do not use scale at commercial level, because in that case from time to time you have to use a scale that shows kilograms as well. Still covers 4 major units, e.g. ounces, milliliters, gram, and pounds. These units are actually more than needed in case where you do not use scale at commercial level, because in that case from time to time you have to use a scale that shows kilograms as well. Number 3, Azeri ZK14S Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale. We think the Azeri Pronto Digital Multifunction Kitchen and Food Scale is a great choice if you want something that's cheap but accurate. It's a bit smaller than the Escali scale, so it takes up slightly less space. Although it's similar in appearance to our top pick, the Azeri has a far shorter auto-off duration and is ever so slightly slower at reading weights. It also comes with a shorter warranty. The Azeri's accuracy surprised our testers, considering its cheap price tag. In our tests, it correctly measured lab weights to the gram on all of our tests of 100 grams or less. Like our top pick, the Azeri was just slightly off with the kilogram weight, reading 1 gram under the target 1,000 grams. However, this reading was inconsistent than the other scales we tested. In its interface and overall look, the Azeri scale is very similar to our top pick. Like the Escali, it has 2 buttons, one to turn the unit off or on and 2 tier ingredients, and the other to switch the unit of measure. We did notice that hitting the tare power button twice, which bakers might sometimes do when in a hurry, will shut the scale off, which can be frustrating. In comparison, you have to hold down the power tare button of the Escali to turn it off, making it much harder to do by accident. The Azeri also has the same maximum weighing capacity as our top pick, about 11 pounds. Number 4, Nicewell Food Scale, 22 pounds Digital Kitchen Scale. Easy to use and lightweight to transport, Nicewell MQDC018 contains the finest finish that you can hardly witness out of many digital kitchen scales available in the market. Popular amongst a worldwide clientage, this takes you a few moments to wholly learn its functions to start using like you have known it for long. Comprises upon 5 clear and understandable measurement units that can weigh the food items, be it liquid as well, to know their weight up to micro levels. Prepping the next meal just for yourself or getting a few friends waiting to get served with a healthy meal, you are all set ready to inspire the desired quantity the recipe requires. This takes two AAA-rated batteries to convene with the operation, but does not worry about draining out the batteries as it employs the auto shutdown system that turns off the scale after 120 seconds, 2 minutes, if found not in use. Seems to be a non-adequate duration when you are busy preparing the meal, but this little functionality is cost-efficient to always have the batteries by your side. The bigger and larger weight panel comfortably takes even a serving size plate without blocking the display unit's view at all. And crafted with stainless steel layered. Number 5 AccuWeight 201 Digital Multifunction Meat Food Scale. This scale definitely charms you with its dazzling black finish and stain-resistant glass platform. With 4 high-precision G-force load sensors, it can weigh anything up to 176 ounces. However, the best part about this kitchen scale is the confidence that the manufacturers put in their product. A big problem with a lot of other food scales is their small display LEDs or small display units, and even if there were those few that had big displays, occasionally they were without any backlight. This one, however, comes with a backlit display that has adequately big digits in the ambient maroon backlight. Another amazing feature is the auto indication of low battery and overloaded items. The zero button offers the zero tear function and you can wipe the display clean whenever you want to add a new item or bigger quantity of the same item. This scale to perform all its functions. Since the weighing platform is stain resistant, it is free of fingerprint problem and you can like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.